Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be walking you through a simple upgrade that I did to my bathroom in my office, thanks to The Giving Tree. Thank you so much to The Giving Tree for sponsoring today's video. And without further ado, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of this beautiful product, and I'm going to show you how I installed it and the unboxing and give you my review of the product. So this is the 8-inch Faucet widespread double handle bathroom faucet with a pop-up drain from The Giving Tree. It has a high gooseneck spout and lever handles, and it is super easy to install with leak-free valves and has reliable performance and durability. It also has a spout which features something called a laminar flow, which helps conserve water while preventing splashing. The faucet has a 3-hole function, so I actually am going to have to make 2 more holes in my counter for the handles here. But it also has a 360-degree swivel function on the spout. It has a removable aerator to clear hard water blockages at any time, and comes with a drain stopper to match the faucet, which you can just press to lock and unlock with very little effort. So this is the faucet that I started with. It was builder grade. I had spray painted it, and it was just not high quality anymore, so time for that to go. So I started by taking that out, and I am just going to be tossing this. It's been here for 4 years, and it's really just time for it to go and time for a change. The drain stopper is really easy to install. I was sort of trying to figure it out. As you can see, I have the instructions next to me the entire time. At first, I was trying separating it, but it comes connected the exact way that you're supposed to install it. So you just slide it through that drain hole after you remove the previous drain stopper, and then you put the washer nuts, stack them on top of each other, and connect them to the P-trap, and then you just turn that piece there to push the washer nuts up to the base of the sink, and it comes with that rubber stopper which prevents any leaking around the drain. I did not need to use any plumber's putty because of the hardware. Now, if your sink is like mine and you only have 1 hole faucet and you're switching to this one, which is a 3-hole faucet, you are going to need to drill holes in your countertop. I have Caesar stone countertops, and I used a diamond hole drill bit that is about 1 1/4 inches to drill these holes. You just need some water. You attach it to your drill. You mark where you want it to go, and you literally just drill down onto the countertop. So here I am repeating this process on the other side to create that second hole for the cold water handle, and the faucet goes in the middle. Once I figured out that I liked the placement of the holes, I am just adding the faucet and the right handle and the left handle for hot and cold, and making sure I like where those are placed. You want to make sure that you align them so that when they're turned forward, they're on. When they're turned to the back, they're off, and that the resting position is the proper stopping position. So I was just testing that. And here's a quick look at the before, after I connected everything underneath the sink, and here's the look at the after. This faucet provided such a beautiful luxury upgrade to my bathroom. Thank you again to The Giving Tree for providing me with this beautiful faucet. I will have a link in the description box down below if you are interested in purchasing this, with a discount code for you as well.